lunch. I'm Seema Modi. Gold isn't the only hot metal this year. Silver lower today, but check out these gains, up 26% this year, currently trading at around a 7-year high. Analysts at Citi crediting the move to improving inflation and the potential for more demand tied to green investments should Democratic candidate Joe Biden win the U.S. presidency. Let's bring in the Trading Nation team to discuss. Bill Baruch of Blue Line Capital and Gina Sanchez of Chantico Global. It's good to see you both. Guys, you see silver here, this big outperformance. Gina, what do you think is the main catalyst here?
Well, there are two catalysts. Silver is technically a precious metal, but it has its foot in both the camp of precious and industrial metals. So part of what's driving this is the continued expectation of continued stimulus and its store of value. And so similar to gold, it's been pushed up. But it's also been pushed up because there is, if you look at copper as an example, copper has been surging on the expectation that 2020 and the second half of 2020 is going to be a huge recovery. That is also being priced into silver. That's the part of the story that may have the fly in the ointment. We will see if the prices can hold up. Certainly stimulus will keep driving it, but you also have to believe that the economy is going to recover and recover very strongly at the latter half of this year to buy these prices.
Trading at $22.75. Bill, do you think this move can last?
I love the precious metals, and I've always said that you need a portion of your portfolio at minimum in precious metals. So silver has some room to run here. I think we could see $26. I think that's in the cards. But I always say you cannot chase silver and gold for that matter when everybody else is screaming for it. That's when you want to be capitalizing on silver and gold that you already own. So if you take a look at the chart I provided, you go back to this historic run of $50 in 2011. It gives me a good resistance to look at that $26 target. And then that was also support back down in 2011, 2012. So previous support, now resistance. I think $30 could be in the cards too, but I think you need to be patient. You need to wait for these prices to come back in. 21.25 was the 2016 high after Brexit. That's going to be a good support level. If we can stay above there, it's going to be constructive. And there's a lot of different sizes in futures contracts that people can look to invest in silver from 1,000 ounces all the way up to 5,000 ounces. So it is a very flexible investment.
Interesting perspective. Bill and Gina, thanks.